I decided to use a non-circular frame for my wreath. So best thing, I just wanted to use a rectangular frame, so the best thing was to use a picture frame. So I just took one of my frames which has a black rim and took the contents out, even the glass out. So this is going to be my rectangular wreath frame. Next I'm going to take some black wool and make a spider web. Turn it around. Now I start from the center and I'll weave the web. So I first tie a knot right in the center and then just go out a bit. Say here. Then go on to the opposite side, twist it around. Twist it around, just go round and round till the web is constructed. Now I have some, there's a spider web, so there has to be a spider. So I've got some tiny insects, toy plastic insects, and I'm going to use them. There's a big hole. I don't know what is the purpose for this, but I just found it in my kids section. I always borrow things from them. Oops. So I'm going to dangle the spider here, and that I'll do in the end. But before that, I need to stick a few things. We must welcome our guest, so I'll write here. Dare to enter. The next thing I'm going to make are two eyes, the same width as this one, that of my frames. Broomstick, a spider, insects, and a couple of feathers, black feathers. I don't know whether these are pigeon feathers or crow feathers, but I'm going to use them. And for ease, an elastic rubber band. I'm going to put the feathers together. And to hold them together, an easy way, just a little elastic band. Rubber band, whatever it's called. Now here is my wreath frame with the spider web on it, and I'm going to tie or dangle my spider. Now instead of using a regular glue, I'm using a double sticking tape, which is with the foam. It will give a little elevation to whatever I add on the frame, and it will look better, a more 3D effect. So I'm going to take one piece, attach it here for my insect. I'll make sure that the Now this spot looks kind of empty, so I'm going to add a witch's hat. Now the best way to get something custom sized and everything is to just make it. So I'm just going to draw a witch's hat. So I've taken a brown, orangish brown paper, and I've taken a brown felt pen. Welcome in, dare to enter. This is a home of a wicked witch, a handsome devil, and their two little monsters. Thank you so much for your visit, and see you soon.